Guys, it's finally here. The Milwaukee promotion, Q2 promotion. Buy the two 6-amp hour high output batteries and charger, get a free tool. I'll leave a link in the description. You got your choice from the 7 1/4 circ saw, brushless, not fuel. You got your rocket light, 8-amp hour battery, your fuel angle grinder, fuel hacksaw, compact impact wrench, and your pack out vacuum. This is an unbelievable deal here. If you want to hack it, of course, go with the most expensive tool on the list and return it. Let's see what we got here. See what it brings the price to. $129 for the light, $169 for the batteries. Can't beat it, man. Can't beat it.